Are you really looking for someone to help you with the videos for your business advertising campaigns? Hello everyone, receive a warm greeting. This video is aimed at all those enterprising people who have internet businesses such as dropshipping, affiliate marketing, multi-level, sales of services, or local businesses. You have to understand this. If you are not using video marketing, you are losing sales, customers, and prospects. Video marketing is definitely the most effective tool to boost the success and sales of any business. On this occasion, I come to reveal something truly incredible, the definitive solution in which you can obtain professional quality videos for your video campaigns. A fast, easy, and very economical way to obtain the best professional video marketing services according to your needs, tastes, and indications, and do not have to spend hundreds of dollars on expensive advertising agencies. Would you like to know this information in a more detailed way? In the description of this video, you will find a link to a video where I will be explaining what it is about. I hope you do not reject my invitation.